Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, the Corporate Yogi. So after the series of videos that I had released earlier, there were quite a few number of people who have been posting me queries regarding their problem of spondylosis. So they have asked me to address the problem of spondylosis with the help of some few yoga asanas. What will I do today is I will perform some 5 to 6 yoga asanas which will be helpful to reduce the problem of spondylosis. So when I'm doing this, you can also follow along with me, or later you can practice it at your home. All the asanas you can do it either for a minute or two. So let's start with today's asanas.
Exercise number 1 is Paracin. Exercise number 2 is Trikonasana. In this exercise, you can also keep your legs a little wider. Exercise number 3 is Moccasin and Paschima Namaskar. Moccasin represents the cow face and Paschima Namaskar is the backside Namaste. Exercise number 4 is Adho Mukha Shavasana. Exercise number 5 is Standing stretch twist. You can do it both ways, on the right as well as on the left. And the final exercise is Adho Mukha Virasana. In this state, you sit in the relaxed position at the last.
Hope you like this video guys. If you have any further queries related to any of the problems, please do post in the comment section below. Thank you.